10 minutes to amazing abs. Here we go. Lay down on your back. Hands behind your head. Inhale. Exhale. I want you to roll up and then inhale back down. Your feet are flat. Your legs are hip distance apart. You can see your elbows just in your peripheral vision, so they're not too close. And as you roll up, you're trying to get the tips of your shoulder blades off the mat. Remember, as always, I have that video on how to do a crunch without neck pain if this ever really bothers you. There are great tips there. Okay, roll up, stay there. Arms come to your legs. Then you pull up higher, then bring your hands back, and then roll back down. Got it? So we're gonna roll up. Hands release. You gently come up another inch, then your hands come back, and then roll back down. We're just getting right into the fire here. Roll up. Reach your arms. Come up higher. Hands back. Roll down. One more. Roll up. Hands. Come up higher. Now stay here. Release your arms and pump them. And inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. A version of Pilates hundreds. And exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Stay high. And exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 more sets. And exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Stay high. You got it. And exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Roll yourself back down. Nice job. Arms come down to your sides. Hug your knees in. And then straighten them up towards the ceiling. Turn your legs out so your heels are glued together. You're going to lower your legs and then lift. Only lowering them as much as your back doesn't arch. So we will all be different here. You might just lower an inch and that is fine, okay? You really want to protect your back. And lift. Now, stay here. Roll up into that crunch again. Reach your fingertips long and lower and lift. Good job. Just 3. So here's 2. Last one. Nice job. Pull your knees in. Keep the right leg. Reach the left leg long. So you're squeezing that right knee in. You're going to switch legs. Switch. Really reach the opposite leg as you squeeze in. So squeeze and reach, squeeze and reach. You can do this not in a crunch if you need to rest. That is always fine. 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch legs again. Reach the right leg up and climb up your leg. You got it. We're going to switch for splits. And switch, switch. And same here. Just rest down. Rest whenever you need. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Knees in. Roll down. Nice job. Roll onto your left side. So we're going to be on our elbow. So your option here, variation number 1, is on your knees. Knees together, feet back. Variation number 2 is your legs are straight with the top foot forward. You decide what's best for you. We're going to bring the right hand behind your head and you're going to lift up to a side plank and back down. So I'm pressing down into my elbow and lifting up from the hips to get into my obliques. And again, just go onto your knees for a great variation here. Okay, it's actually one of my favorite physical therapy exercises when you're on your knees. So that's a great variation. Last 2. You guys have me breathing hard already. Last one, lift. Now stay here. I want you to rotate towards the floor and then open back up. Rotate and open. Skip this part if you need to. I know it's just a little extra added here. 3 and 2. Last one, lower down. Nice job. Bend your knees, come up. I always like a little side stretch in between. It's just a little present for myself. And then we have another side to do. So whatever version you did there, do the same thing here. All right? So either knees, and again, if you're in your knees, then you have your feet back, your legs are in line with your body. Otherwise, legs straight, hand behind your head. We're gonna lift and lower. Try to keep the hips stacked, meaning you're not letting one roll back or roll forward, okay? So it's like there's a lasso around your hips, lifting you up and back down. Nice job. Last one. Lift. Here we go. See if you can add the rotation down and up. Trying to keep the hips lifted as you do it. 3 more. 3 and 2. Last one. Nice job. Hips down. Bend your knees. Come up and over. And you can release that hand back down. We're going to turn and bring your legs together, straight out in front, okay? So we're going to sit up nice and tall on your sit bones and bring your arms out in front. Inhale here. Exhale, curl your tailbone, just starting to roll yourself back about halfway. Inhale. Exhale, come back up, over, again, restack. So that's variation 1, where you're just gonna roll down and roll back up, just working to your kind of limit. Variation 2, you can come down, stay here, lift the right leg, lower, left leg, lower. So I'm maintaining this isometric contraction in my abdominals, trying to keep that scoop, shoulders down, fingertips reaching, and 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, exhale, come back up, over, restack. We have one more version. I'm gonna roll back halfway. I'm gonna stay here. Take my left arm to the left and I'm gonna turn and look at it. And then come back to center. Right arm. And then center. So inhale, open, 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 open. Exhale, center. Inhale, other side. And center. One more each side, you got it. Inhale, exhale, up, over, and sit up tall. Nice job. You're gonna swing your legs around behind you. We're almost done. We're in the home stretch. Okay, find yourself on all fours. I want you to bring the right arm out in front of you. Left arm is gonna reach back. So this is our prep for what's coming. And then lower back down. And again, this is a great variation if you just wanna stick with this. Okay, so if you want to stick with spinal balance, it's a great way to work your abdominal muscles. So stay here. Otherwise, we're going to find ourselves in a plank. So hands are spread wide. Reach one leg back, curl the toes underneath you. Reach the other leg back. So we're going to hold this first one for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Knees down. Nice job. So that was variation 2. Variation 1 is spinal balance. 2 is you can hold another plank. This is variation 3. If you would like to find it, come back into your plank for our Pilates leg pull. So right leg is going to lift, lower, 4, 3, 2, 1, switch, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, you got it. Foot down, hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Knees down. And I'm going to have you come all the way down onto your belly. Separate your legs mat distance apart. When you're ready, slow and with control, come up for that nice abdominal stretch. Maybe look over your right shoulder, center, left shoulder, and center. And then from here, slowly take it back to a child's pose stretch. And then you can roll back up when you're ready. An awesome job. I'll see you next time.
Thanks so much for stopping by. Remember, subscribe to my channel and you'll be notified every time a new video comes up. Like and comment on this video and let me know what you thought. You could also always come over to jessicavalantpilates.com to find all the resources I have for living a healthy lifestyle, including full-length workout videos, healthy recipes, and a community I would love for you to be a part of. So I'll see you there.